Well, today's the day that I bring the truck in. It's gonna have a new bumper put on it. He's gonna replace the tailgate because it doesn't look too bad here, but it's rotten underneath. It's getting old, so gonna have it all taken care of. Gonna have a new bumper put on, new hitch. And I don't know how well this is gonna come out, but he's gonna replace all the rot underneath here in the bed, and he's gonna POR the hole underneath the truck here, the frame. See all the holes? He's gonna fix all the little holes and stuff. See the bed supports? They're pretty bad. There's a hole over there you can see right into the bed. Nasty. So just want to get a before shot. This is what it looks like before. Passenger side. This is the rear. There's no bed left there at all. That's completely gone. That's just the bed liner you're looking at there. And these supports aren't even connected. Look at this. So, looks like he can save those. But he's gonna do the entire thing all the way up. So he's gonna have to pressure wash it. We'll see. The new bumper's gonna have a 7-pin hitch on it, connector for the trailer. I'm gonna have him put a power port in. And this is what it looks like inside the wheel well. See the bed supports completely off because that rotted out. So he's gonna take care of it, weld all new metal in there. These are all rotten. In fact, I looked up here and that one's cracked. So they're all rusted through. They're due. I already bought the bed supports. He's gonna put the ones on that I bought. But it's gonna take him 3 weeks, he said, to do all the welding and all the work to it. I want to take some before shots here. So I remember how bad it was. Yeah, there's that rotten spot on the driver's side again. We're gonna do the tank straps. He said these are salvageable. It's just surface rust on them. I was thinking about replacing them. He said, nah, they're fine. So, great. He's gonna clean them up and POR those and pressure wash the entire frame, degrease it. And I don't know how he's gonna get inside there. He'll probably just dump the POR in. We'll see. But it's coated with what I put on the fluid film right now. Because I sprayed it every year with fluid film. And that's what preserved it until now anyway. But it just kept it from getting any worse. However, I was too late. And he said I won't need to use any of that fluid film anymore when he's done. And he said once he gets done PORing it, he'll never have to see me again about this. So the guy knows what he's doing. He's got a good reputation. It's Arrow Automotive in Lebanon, Maine. There you have it. That you can see all the wet there. That's fluid film. It's stuck. This stuff's really good. But if I don't have to use it, I won't. I'll save it for my other stuff, like the tractor and the plow and the snowblower. Can't really see the other side. I'll go to the other side next. There you have it. That's what it looks like. It's pretty nasty. gonna ask him if he'll put a light bar up for me too. I'm not sure where he's gonna put it, if he'll even do it. Now the passenger side. There it is. There's the passenger side that's rotten pretty good there. That's nasty. I think the driver's side's worse. At least these aren't completely cracked all the way through. The bed supports. There's the frame. You can see the inside of the driver's side over there frame. Yeah. All this he's going to take care of. Okay. Well, I guess that's enough video. I don't think I forgot anything that he's going to do. He is going to, well, as you can see, this wheel well. This is the passenger side wheel well. It's off on this side too, the bed support. That's the, for the fifth wheel. I mean the, not the fifth wheel. For the dually fiberglass wheel well. Kind of supports this a little bit. I mean, it doesn't really need it a lot, but it's the support for it anyway. All right. Well, I hope it looks like a new truck when I get it back. I'm gonna see if he'll do the headlights too. They're a little foggy. Yeah, see the door rubber is a little melted from the fluid film. So I sprayed fluid film all inside the doors. Even the back one. Well, the back one's not as bad. It didn't get as much. You can see it eats it right up. Eats that rubber. And I had these done a couple of years ago, and I had the cab corners done. And as you can see, it's already flaking. The paint that they put on it's flaking. So he's going to take a look at that too. Oh, and also, and he noticed this rotten spot inside here too. You can't really even see it. But anyway, it's inside the front fender. Inside here, it's a rotten spot. He noticed it, so I didn't even see it. So I'm sure he'll take good care of that. I'm just going to tell him if he sees anything else that needs to be done, just do it. Oh, yeah. And the bed. He's going to put a new bed liner in it. And he's going to take those fifth wheel brackets out. I'm going to tell him if he wants, he can leave that plug over there. Although I don't use it, it's nice to have a spare. But whatever he thinks, whatever's easiest for him. He's going to have nice new bed liner. He's going to paint in it. It'll be a different tailgate there too. All right, goodbye, baby.
You got a good deal on that thing.
Yeah.
You found it.
There's the old bed. Look at that. This thing was nasty. It's the back side here.
Look, got a light through it.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there's nothing left of that.
Yeah, over here too. all down here.
Yep.
I mean, where do you stop? And when do you say when?
Too much work.
Yep.
Got a good deal for that other one, $1,500.
No, just this one rail is $90.
Shit.
They don't have it aftermarket. You got all those
Yeah,
four.
this rail's rotting right off on the end there.
Yep, here too. The edge
Great.
of the bed's rotted. No
Yeah,
pinch
and
weld to weld too.
to replace this, just the centerpiece in this thing is $500. Just to buy it, not to replace it.
Yeah, that's the project.
And you gotta friggin' take it all out. It's all welded. Just have to drill the spots out, the spot welds, I guess.
Looks like it was under the ocean. Look at this. Looks like
I know.
barnacles.
There's nothing there.
No, right here.
That's-
Look,
that's
looks like
bedline.
barnacles. Look from here.
Huh. Might be salt.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Look under here. Look over here. Under here.
Yeah, I see it. Those little specks there.
No, look from
Oh.
here.
Oh,
There's
what the hell is that? A bolt? Looks like a bolt in there.
right in here. It's all rotted.
Yeah. Great. You're gonna haul this thing off?
We're gonna flip it upside down. We're gonna take the flares off it.
Yep.
Flip it over and then fill it with steel.
Oh, yep.
Take anything that's good off it. You always. I'll hold the flash.
All right. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good in the dark. Yeah,
Looks good in daylight.
it looks good in the daylight too. Yeah, a lot better than the other bed.
No kidding.
It's a 2006. Look at those bed supports in there. Not bad. This thing is really good shape.
Yeah. If you look down inside, there's no rust at all.
It must have come down from
South Carolina.
South Carolina. That's why. No salt. Excellent.
And good thing we got yours because one of the inner fender welds is broken.
Is it?
It's just
Yeah.
plastic anyway.
Yeah. All right. Here's the truck.
Yeah, they don't come apart. That's a long.
Yeah.
And these here are only 35
Look
bucks.
at that. It's all freaking rotten out. So John got some new lights he's showing off. LED lights. Holy shit.
That one's 4,000.
Freaking
Lot
things.
lighter.
They are heavy.
Yeah. I got 4 of those. I got 2 of the big ones. That should light up my view.
Yeah. Cab corners, you had those off. You haven't found anything else, huh?
No, not yet.
Good.
Little things here, yeah, but
Everything's gonna be black.
I could walk on.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool.
I'm getting hungry.
Shit, I should have picked something up for you. There's the front of the truck. No bumper. Headlights are gone.
Just the grill.
Just the grill. I think I like it the way it is right like that. You probably just leave it.
Alright.
That looks pretty bad, actually. Big badass going down the road. It's like Mad Max. Need to put some spikes on the front of it.
Actually, there's a truck over at
Well, we're at Arrow Automotive. The truck's been painted and it's December 16th. The bumper needs to be POR'd, and then all the attachments have to be put on. The bed has to be coated with a liner, Kevlar liner. And he said he's got to weld the exhaust back together down there. One of the brackets come loose, I guess. The wheels have been painted. Looks like the whole truck got painted. Front bumper is on. And it's got a POR 15 coating underneath it so it won't rust again. As you can see, the entire frame's been coated with that POR. He's going to be putting airbags in the front there. I think he said he was going to do that today. But the truck looks really nice. Nice paint job.
I've only seen one run.
What do you guys think?
I like it.
You like it, huh? Looks pretty good so far.
Yeah.
There's not a lot left. The wheels look nice that color. I like it. And he's got these things here that whoop, they're going to clamp on instead of riveting like the old one did. This one will clamp right onto the ribs there. That's for the inside tire. I like that POR.
Yeah, yeah.
The whole bed is POR'd underneath. You can hit that stuff with a hammer and it won't chip. He demonstrated it. So it looks like it's getting pretty close. Hopefully next week, huh?
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully. We'll see. Nikki's inspecting the paint job. It looks really good, I think.
Yeah.
Smells in here. It just got painted yesterday. So, should be ready next week. What are you laughing at?
That's the 16th week in a row.
16th week in a row. He's got a lot going on. Too much. Paint looks good. Cab corners look good. Those are all new. Hard to see here in the dark. That's all new there. The rockers. Looks like he's got a spot here he's got to fix, but he put the all metal to that. You can see all the way across. So he's just gonna put the rubber in there now. Yep. Lots of POR. POR and everything. And the bed liner has to go in. And he's using this stuff over here for the bed liner. Well, I guess that's it from here. Arrow Automotive. Here's a picture of the new bumper that's going to be going on. He is going to replace these brackets with more solid ones. But the bumper itself is pretty thick. 1/4 inch, I think that is. quarter, half inch, something like that. That's a mean looking bumper. He's already got it coated with POR. Yeah, so these are gonna come off. He's gonna put something a little more solid on there. This is a 2-inch receiver. There, that ought to protect the back of the truck.